Welding is a fabrication process that joins two or more pieces of metal, or thermoplastics, using heat, pressure, or both. This creates a localized area of coalescence, forming a permanent bond as the pieces cool. Key principles of welding. Heat, the primary method. It melts the metals at the joint, allowing them to intermix and solidify into a single piece. Pressure, used in some processes to force the metals together, aiding in the bonding process. Filler metal, often introduced to the joint to reinforce it and improve its properties.